What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Tamara. It's Tuesday. Well, you might be asking, what are we doing here? It's not Wednesday. It's not Friday. It's my birthday. Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
So I had to post a video today because we're making my birthday nails. We're going to do half today, and then we're going to do the other half, I hope to God, tomorrow. I'm putting a lot of faith in myself that I can get all of this done. If you don't see me tomorrow, you'll probably see me the next day. But I'm going to do my best. So let's get into it. Let's do these gorgeous cake nails. They were easy, they were quick, kind of, and they're so fun. So grab a drink, grab a snack, get comfy, because we're gonna make some birthday shit. What's up, guys? How is your week going? How was your weekend? Good, I hope. What are we doing here on a Tuesday? Like I said, it's my birthday, so I felt like I had to post. Like, what am I going to post on a Wednesday, the day after my birthday, and then you all don't get to tell me happy birthday on my birthday? I wouldn't do that to you. No, ma'am. No, sir. So here we are. I rushed and made sure I got it all done today so I could post on my birthday, and I got it done. I didn't think there was a chance in hell that I was going to pull this off, but I did, because I literally didn't realize that Tuesday was my birthday until Friday. So I was like, all weekend, I was telling myself, I'm going to go in and I'm going to start my birthday nails and filming. Well, guess what? I didn't have time. So Monday it was. But this side of my nails, my right hand, I pictured them on my left because I hate my right hand. It's my fat hand. I just don't like it. But this is my right hand for my birthday nails, and I think they turned out very cute. I didn't want to do something like super crazy. For one, I need to be able to like maneuver my fingers around, you know. I got business to take care of. I got things to do. So I can't wear like super long nails like I usually do for my, not super long, but I like to do like XLs for my videos, typically. For pictures and videos, I just like how they look. But in real life, I'm like a medium to long nail, long nail girly. And so, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but these are not your typical like XLs that you get from me on here. So I don't really like how they look as much in pictures, but I like them in real life. Okay, so what we're doing is, for one, we're doing an encapsulated set on like half of the nail, which we haven't done since like the beginning of my channel. That was like my thing there for a while. I love a good encapsulated nail. It's one of my favorite things. Oh, it's just so pleasing when you finish. So what I did, I have the potted Gin B thick gel, but you can go ahead and use the pot. It's the same thing. I just have both, so I just use this one because it's got a brush in it, easy peasy. So I put a layer of that on top of the nail after I put the Clody like neon pink on. I cured it, and then I put the thick gel on it, didn't cure it, and then put a bunch of the little stars and stuff on like basically the base of the French, because I'm gonna do a white French on the top, so I didn't need, I would have covered the stars if I did the whole nail. So I just did the base that you're gonna see. So I squished all the little stars into the Gin B thick gel, cured it, and then I put another layer of Gin B thick gel on top, and then now I am filing that shit smooth. So I just take my e-file and I just file it all down. Be careful. I tend to do this all the time. I'll file a little bit of the color off of the cuticle area. It drives me nuts, as careful as I am. If you do that, just take a little bit of the color that you used for your base and just put it on there. Nobody's gonna know. So I file it with my e-file, and then I kind of finish file with my, as I showed you. The Tammy Taylor 180 grit files are my fave. I will not use anything else. And then the Kiara Sky buffers, also fave. Won't use anything else with these. Love them. I hate, and I don't really even want to talk about it because it's going to get stuck in my head. Ugh. I have like a severe texture kind of thing, and the main reason I didn't get I stopped getting my nails done is them filing my nails. It made me crawl out of my skin. I'm not kidding. Like, it's the worst. I can't think of anything. Oh, I'm going to stop talking about it because now I'm thinking of worse things. I'm just a texture person. I'm covered in goosebumps right now because there's certain textures I can't stand, and I hate trying to explain it to people because then it gets stuck in my head. Ugh. Okay, we gotta stop talking about something else. I know that there's some of you out here that are like, oh my God, same, but some of you are gonna be like, what? Okay, so now we're just doing the French, white French. I showed you that little trick that I showed you guys before that I believe I got from Ball Pit. She's such a little smarty pants. She knows how to do all the nail art things. So you just do like a T, you go from the center, boop, T, and then from the base of that T, then that's where you draw your lines up, and where it meets, like you go to the outside of the T like this, and then zoop, and then you just fill it in and like draw the little curvy thing. So much easier than freehanding that shit. I hate it. I'm trying to give you guys some more angles. Are we appreciating it? Do we like it? And I know my desk is clean. It's clean. I don't know. I'm not much of a mess maker, I guess. Like, I'll end up with nail products everywhere because I use so many nail products, and then I pick it up right away. I'm very, like, you guys can tell. Like, everything is very organized. If it's not, then I'm not motivated. It's like I have to then organize and clean in order to create. I can't relax unless things are in their little spots and everything is cleaned up, and then I can create cute things. So now, because I'm completely done with the base, I'm top coating with our favorite, the Jinbei Thick Gel. I'm using the pop version this time. The one with the brush is honestly harder to use because it's so fucking thick. It's easier just to use a potted version. I don't know why I did that to myself earlier because I was just being lazy and didn't want to get the brush out and do all that. You know, I'm weird. I don't know. So I'm just top coating it. So that's all done because next we are going to add the frosting to our birthday cake nails. We're using the meringues, our favorite product. If you are able to try these, you guys, buy them. They're so fun, especially if you're interested in making cute cake nails. Like, they're kind of like in right now, frosting nails with like a little cherry and stuff. You're seeing them all over the place. I wish I would have had these for those damn jelly cake nails, but I'm never gonna live that down to myself. Like, that's just always gonna bother me. I'm gonna have to redo the set, apparently. But so these just literally make this particular design frosting so easy. It's literally like everything else I tried in the jelly cake nail video. I got it, obviously I got it to work, but it was not as easy. Like this, you just like and frosting, you know, like the other ones, you kind of had to like maneuver a little bit more. They were just a little bit heavier and creamier. Like, these are creamy, but they're also like fluffy and just, I wish they would come out with like a big pot of the white one. That would make me, I would die. I would buy it, that's for sure. For sure, I would buy it. Ho ho lee. We need a big jar. And I wish they would come out with a black one. I wanted to do black frosting so bad. Sad about that, but I guess I could have colored this black. Like I could have put black gel in. That, not gonna, no. And it would have been gray, honestly, so no. All right, so basically we're making Hello Kitty cupcake nails. We're using the pink and the white. I love them. I think they turned out so cute. And I love that Clody neon pink that we used as the base. I almost used their turquoise jelly. I could not decide. I love that color, and we haven't really used it for like a full set yet. I did those 3D kawaii like candy looking nails. I use like 5 of those jelly colors, like 1 on each nail, but I haven't done like a full like jelly turquoise set, and I'm just like dying to. I've wanted a jelly turquoise for so long, and they're like so hard to find. I feel like if I find one, they're like sold out. So I really want to use that color. It's so pretty. So I got to think of a cool set to use with that. So my plan, and I'm like this is probably going to stress me out now, but my plan is to, because currently it's Monday night, right? So my plan is to film my left hand of my birthday nails tomorrow, film, edit, voiceover, thumbnail, everything again in one day, because apparently I'm just a pro now. You know, not really. This video is just like way shorter than what I currently like edit. Normally my videos are typically like 4 hours of footage that I have to edit down to, typically I get it down to like 45 minutes. Boy, does it take me a while. So this was like, did I say like an hour and a half of footage or something? So we got it down to like 16 minutes. Way easier, way quicker. So tomorrow it'll probably be the same thing. I don't plan on making, like I said, they're not gonna be like XLs or anything. So they're shorter nails, stilettos. Like the design is really, really, really cute that I've planned, but I don't think it's gonna take me like super long. So I think I'm gonna be able to do it. I have to, because this video is like to be continued tomorrow for you. So gotta do it. I promise I will. I swear. I swear. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday yet, because it's on a Tuesday. And like my Mondays through Thursdays are like, I have so much going on, like all day long, and I really don't want to get behind on things. So I'm like, do I just go to dinner with everybody on Friday? I would rather do that, because how am I going to get everything done before we have to go to dinner tomorrow for my birthday? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know, guys. We'll see. My mom is in town this week for my birthday. And I think we're going shopping on Saturday. My mom and everybody, so I think we're gonna do that for my birthday. So I don't know. My stupid phone just cut me off. Love when it does that. Anyways, what do we think about these nails? I think they're really cute, and they're so easy, you guys. Like, you can totally do this. It did not take me very long at all. Obviously, the video is way shorter, like I was saying. But I love these meringues so much. Can I get comfortable? Have you guys seen these? They're delicious. These Smart Sweets. For one, I like Smart Sweets. I think they're pretty good. But these are like pink lemonade gummy candies. They're bomb. So for tomorrow's video, I have plans. And I just hope they don't take a really long time. Because I do have like something special planned for this hand that's a little more like extravagant than this hand. And we're trying out a new product that I got in a recent haul video. So we'll see how it goes. What do we think? I think they turned out very cute, and they're very birthday. You know, maybe I could get a cake that matches. That'd be cute. I think I'm a little late on that. I think I probably would have had to order that like last week, or somebody else would have had to order it last week. But yeah, I think they're so cute. And you know, I love a good encapsulated nail. That's what I was saying. Encapsulated nails just make me so happy. I love them so much. All right, guys. I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. I love ya. I'm not going to say anything about you-know-who at the end of this video. It's my birthday week, so she can just, we know who it is. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with another birthday set, birthday half set, so we can finish my birthday nails. I hope you guys have the best night. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I post. And I will see you guys tomorrow.